Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the easy wins. First, schedule cabin preconditioning so the car warms or cools while plugged in. This shifts energy use off the battery when you depart. Once done, plug the car and set charge to 80% 90% for daily driving. Make exceptions only for long trips. Also, check tire pressure and remove roof racks. Lower drag and correct inflation reduce motor load and improve efficiency immediately. Now you refine how the car uses energy while driving. Use chill or eco modes to smooth acceleration. Sharp throttle spikes cost power. Make sure regenerative braking is on maximum. This recovers energy during deceleration and reduces range loss. Next, cap highway speed when possible and cruise control to avoid rapid speed changes. Aerodynamic drag increases energy use exponentially. Finally, use HVAC sparingly. Set climate to efficient temperatures. Prefer seat finish by validating results and preparing for problems. Check the Energy app after a few trips to see where kWh went and tweak behaviors accordingly. Make routine checks, tire pressure, recent software version, and cabin climate logs. These reveal hidden drains. If range drops unexpectedly, reboot the infotainment and power cycle the car. If persistent, contact service. Lastly, plan routes and use navigation to precondition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.